Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Friday. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Now you guys will get one of these at a low cost. Check out what other goodies they have to offer. And here we go. Just think Christmas is coming again. This is coming from VicTsing. VicTsing. Sure what this is. Interesting. Alright. Oh, gaming mousepad. VicTsing. So we're about to find out what's inside. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is click on the link, add it to your cart right now, and they'll ship this fast to you guys. Take a look. We'll do a full setup, everything on this video. Here we go. Since everyone's doing gaming these days, you guys can see me on Twitch. I'll have that link down below also. And check that out. I'm gonna try to get on there more, but it's been an interesting year already. Ooh, look at this. This should be easy setup. I think this is like a large size, maybe. That's interesting. Alright. Roll this thing out. Got the instructions. USB. Sweet. Oh boy. Oh, this is like a large gaming mouse pad. Gaming pad. There we go. Gotta get it on right. Definitely gonna need this. So I'm gonna hop over. Check this thing out, guys. Really cool. Look at the LEDs. And they did a really nice job stitching. Really nice work. VicTsing. I think this is like under 30 bucks. I do believe. So I mean, nice gift ideas for some gamer in your family, your friend, yourself, your boss. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plug her in. Alright, we're gonna hop over there in a sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back on the computer now. This is really simple to install. That USB, you just gotta plug it onto the side right there and run it to your USB outlet. I got my little multi-outlet right there. So I got a 4-port and then the cords on top. But this is just USB powered. Really cool. We're going to shut the lights off in a second and show you guys the colors. I think you want to change it. You can just click, yep. You guys can see a little bit during the daytime. Great for all you esports players out here. Look at that. That's cool blue. Purple, green. That's off. Oh no. Oh, this is going to do a little light show. Alright. Yeah, see? Zoom out a little bit. This is really cool. Alright, I'm going to shut the light off. I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Sorry about the glare. Those are for my cameras. I must have those on. But look at that. That is really cool. So this is under 30 bucks. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, get it fast shipped to you guys, man. This is really, really cool. Let's see what other colors they got. Sit back and watch. It's like your table is glowing. Here you go. I think that ran through pretty much all the colors on that one. this is a nice size too. I do believe they got different sizes, so you might want to check out also what other kinds they have too. But for this one, this is under $30. They have a $2 coupon at checkout, so it's like 21 something. But like I said, it was easy to install. We've got to let this thing settle down a little bit more, put some weight on it. But really nice LED or RGB color. Nicely stitched. It's not too bright either, so I mean, won't mess up with your eyes during gaming or if you're doing schoolwork, stuff like that. So settle the mood down. I mean, I use the computer a lot, so this is definitely going to help me. Definitely cool. Right there. Yeah, see on top it's like a green. Bottom is like the purple. Really nice. I got this color. What is this flashing? Oh. Alright, alright. Well, there's a lot of choices, though, that's for sure. Here we go. We'll give it one cycle. See all the colors. I think it's about done on this one. Just gotta remember the yellow gold. See, it's like purple on top. Really cool. We'll switch to the next one. This is a solid. Oh, wait. A solid red. Whoa. Looks kind of fading in and out, so that might be a different style. Look at that. Bam. Here's that color. There's that one. I think these are now the solid colors they have to offer. It's like a solid turquoise, it kind of looks like. Kind of looks like a neon blue on the TV. So, but here it looks like a turquoise. Really nice. Alright, one click does it all. I like that blue. That's like a neon blue. Neon. Purple. 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 It's like the white. I would believe so. And next we have the flashing red. Oh, this one. Yeah, we're just about done with this one. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. The VicTsing RGB Esports Gaming Mousepad. I think this is an extra large. But really cool. Or large. Not sure which one it is. But like I said, I do believe they got different sizes. So take some time. Check it out. If you want this one, click the link. Add it to your cart. And they'll get it fast shipped to you. But this is definitely a really nice one that I've seen on the internet so far. Especially at the price they got it for. So you guys can't beat that offer. Plus a $2 coupon. Might want to get a couple stock up. In case you spill something. I don't think this is washable. Just because of the, whatchamacallit, the sensor. But you probably could take like a napkin and use some Windex or something, carpet cleaner, and clean it off a little bit. But don't throw it in the washing machine. This is really nice. So there you have it, YouTubers. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe and have a good one. See ya.